Hi, Clarence. Hi, Gina.
Hi.
Where are we?
We are in Idlewild on Ernie Maxwell Trail with our shady Clarence.
What's up with him?
He's a little warm.
Are you a little warm, Clarence? Is this much for you?
He likes the shade. Nothing's changed.
Shady Clarence. See, we get this hot trail, and everywhere there's shade, Clarence needs to pull over to just take a break. But we're going to turn back, Clarence, because we think you've had enough.
Jim, what weekend is it?
This is our second anniversary weekend.
Yes.
It is June 20th, and tomorrow is the big day.
Yep.
Yay! And we're doing a romantic getaway.
That's right.
In the Strawberry Creek Bunkhouse.
Right.
Awesome.